Okay, beta. Today we are going to start next topic. Next topic is hidden goodwill. First, we have to understand what is the meaning of hidden goodwill. Hidden goodwill means, beta, the difference between the capital actually in a business or assets actually in a business and what should capital or assets will be based on the new partner capital. Okay, beta. When we are asking to any new partner to come with the 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 4 lakh, 8 lakh rupees as a new capital, that is based on your assets, beta. That is based on your sales. Okay. As like that, we are saying on any partner ki just you will come from the 1/4 share. You will come from the 1/4 share, and for that 1 lakh means what? Means this, beta, your business capital or total amount or total assets capital is what, beta? Multiply 4 lakh. Beta. So, due to this 4 lakh, we are asking you will come with the 1 lakh because you are taking 1/4 share. Okay, beta? That is the reason. For that, we are saying the new partners, you will come from 1 lakh with the 1 lakh for 1/4 share. So here we are going to check what should be capital is there on the basis of new partners capital and what we have, and difference between these two is called hidden goodwill. Okay, beta? It means that difference is showing extra amount you are asking from your partners. That is what, beta? That is the goodwill. As like that, just see for the 1/4. A and B are the partners. C admit 3:2 is there. 1/4 they are coming with the 1 lakh. So by this we have to capital amount is 4 lakh. Should be. Now checking here 2 lakh and 50,000 is capital. Okay, beta. Here we are using capital. For the calculation of total capital, we are using capital reserve profit. Okay, capital reserve profit and old goodwill is there than that. These all we are going to add. 2 lakh, 50,000 and 1 lakh means 3 lakh 50,000, but new goodwill amount is beta on the basis of the capital 4 lakh. It means difference amount, beta. It means difference amount 50,000. Difference amount, beta, 50,000. Okay, beta. This is what? This is the goodwill. Okay, beta. On this way, we are going to calculate the goodwill. First, we are going to calculate the total capital on the basis of new partner capital, because one for they are come with the 1 lakh for 1/4. Okay, beta. So then total capital is 4 lakh. But when we are going to adding the total capital profit and reserve, that amount is 3,50,000. It means difference amount is what? Difference amount is goodwill. Okay, beta. Now I am going to start the solving some questions. Okay. The topic is hidden goodwill. Just see question number first. For the hidden goodwill in my book, this is the old book 3062. H and N as the Helves and Nishant were partner in the firm sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 3:2. Okay, beta. Their capital 1,60,000 and 1 lakh. They admit Sumesh on 1st April as on new partner for 1/5 share of the profit. For that, he is coming with the 1,20,000. They are coming with the 1,20,000. Just see. H and N. I am not using full name. Investors and S. This capital is 1,60,000 and 1 lakh. And he is coming from 1/5 with the capital of 1,20,000. Okay, beta. Now, on the basis of new partner, we are going to calculate the capital that should be in a form. Okay, beta. For 1/5 is coming from the 1,20,000 for 1 1,20,000 into 5/1. It means 6 lakh. This capital is on the basis of new partner. Okay, beta. This capital is on the basis of new partner. Now on the old capital, 1,60,000, 1 lakh plus 1,20,000, 3,80,000. Okay, beta. 3,80,000. Then hidden goodwill 6 lakh minus 3,80,000, 2,20,000 of hidden goodwill. Okay, beta. Here is hidden goodwill amount is 2,20,000. Okay. Clear? It's a hidden goodwill. Okay. Now next process. We are going to calculate the goodwill of new partner, then as goodwill. It's a hidden goodwill. In this hidden goodwill, 1/5 of the S goodwill. Okay. That amount is beta 44,000, and then divide this amount of goodwill in H and N. It means in old partner. Beta, just divide in the ratio of beta. What is that ratio? Ratio is given 3:2. Okay. Ratio is 3:2. It means we are going to have this 44,000. 44,000 into 3/5. 44,000. 2/5. Okay. Then one part is coming 26,400. It's came 26,400. Second is that 17,600. Okay. 26,400 and 17,600 both are came. Now going to do the entry for the goodwill. First is coming with the capital. For that entry beta cash account debit to S capital 1,20,000, 1,20,000. Then S current account, because it's not coming with the cash beta. So S current account to H capital to N capital. Okay. 44,000, 26,400, 17,600. Okay, beta. On this way we are solving the question. Okay. We are going for some more question. Just see next question. And next question is X and Y are the partners with the capital of 13 lakh and 20 lakh. Okay. With the capital of 13 lakh and 20 lakh. Just see. The system is the same. Only amount will change. Two partners there, X and Y, 13 lakh and 20 lakh. X and Y, 13 lakh and 20 lakh. This capital beta. And this profit sharing ratio 1:3. Profit sharing ratio 1:2. 1:2. Z admit for 1/5 share, for that he is coming with the 12 lakh. He is coming from 1/5, for that he is coming with the 12 lakh. Okay. And we have the profit and loss rupees 6 lakh. The firm have on profit and loss rupees, they have one real 6 lakh. Okay. Then on the basis of Z, we are going to calculate the total capital. Then for 1/5 this amount, then for 12 lakh, 5 upon 1, 60 lakh. Okay, beta? Then go for the total capital. 13 lakh, 20 lakh, plus 12 lakh, plus profit 6 lakh, because the profit are reserved, that is the part of capital. Okay, beta? Anyway, we are going to calculate the capital, that profit and reserve will add. Okay. Then 20 and 50, 25, and 20, 55, 6. 65, and then its profit and loss is profit or loss. Okay, it's a 51 lakh. Okay. Then hidden goodwill 60 lakh minus 51 lakh. It means 9 lakh is hidden goodwill. Okay, beta? Then again same process. Calculate the Z share. That 9 lakh into 1 upon 5. What amount will come? 1,80,000. Then divide these both in X and Y in the ratio of 1:2. So then start with the entry. Cash account debit, Z capital 12 lakh beta. Then Z current account debit, X capital, Y capital. Okay. 1,80,000, 120 and 60,000. Okay. On this way, beta, we are going to solve the question of hidden goodwill. It will be like a one topic. It's like a one topic that we are utilized in our questions. Okay, beta? It's like a one topic that will utilize our question. Okay? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta.